Have you ever wondered why a cricket ball, hurled by a spin bowler, behaves like a boomerang? Welcome to the fascinating world of spin bowling, where a cricket ball is not just a ball, but a calculated weapon of unpredictability. In this realm, the bowler is an artist, and the cricket ball, their brush, painting a picture of deception on the pitch. A spin bowler can turn the game on its head, adding an element of surprise that keeps both the batsmen and spectators on their toes. Now, there are two main types of spin bowling: off-spin and leg spin. Off-spinners focus on spinning the ball from the off side of a batsman towards the leg side, while leg spinners do the opposite. It's a game of angles, revolutions, and of course, mind games. But what makes the ball spin so unpredictably? What's the science behind it? Stay tuned to unravel the science behind the magic of spin bowling. Does it surprise you to know that the erratic flight of a spun cricket ball is actually governed by the laws of physics? Well, it's true. The art of spin bowling in cricket is a fantastic showcase of science in action, specifically the field of physics. The key to understanding the science of spin lies in the Magnus effect. Named after the German physicist Heinrich Gustav Magnus, this principle explains why a spinning ball deviates from a straight path when moving through the air. But how does this work, you might ask? Imagine a cricket ball spinning through the air. The side of the ball spinning forward is moving in the same direction as the ball itself, while the side spinning backward is moving in the opposite direction. This difference in speed between the two sides creates a pressure difference, with higher pressure on the side spinning backward and lower pressure on the side spinning forward. This pressure difference then pushes the ball towards the side with lower pressure, causing it to deviate from its straight path. This, in essence, is the Magnus effect. But there's more. The spin also creates friction between the ball and the air. This friction, or air resistance, plays a crucial role in the movement of the spinning ball. The friction can cause the ball to swing or move sideways in the air, adding another layer of complexity to the spin bowler's arsenal. The combination of the Magnus effect and friction-induced swing is what gives spin bowlers their edge. It allows them to control the ball's trajectory, making it difficult for batsmen to predict where the ball will land and which direction it will move. So the next time you watch a cricket match and marvel at the spin bowler's skill, remember the science that's at play. The unpredictable flight of the cricket ball isn't just down to the bowler's talent or the wind direction. It's a clever application of physics, a testament to the fascinating interplay between science and sport. So it's not magic after all, but a clever application of physics. Now that you know the science, how can you use it to your advantage on the cricket pitch? Let's delve into the art of mastering the spin. First off, finger placement is crucial. A slight change in how you grip the ball can drastically alter the spin. For off-spin, the index and middle fingers should be placed on the top of the ball, while the ring and little fingers support the side. For leg spin, the ball is held between the thumb, index, and middle fingers. Remember, it's all about finesse, not force. Next, we have speed. A slower delivery allows the ball more time in the air, increasing the likelihood of achieving the desired spin. But don't go too slow, or you'll be an easy target for the batsman. Find your sweet spot and stick with it. Now let's talk about the angle of release. The angle at which you release the ball plays a significant role in determining the direction and intensity of the spin. Experiment with different angles until you find what works best for you. And finally, as with any skill, practice is key. Understanding the science behind spin bowling is half the battle. The other half is perfecting your technique through constant practice. Try different finger placements, speeds, and angles of release until you've got your spin just right. Remember, the key to a good spin lies in practice and understanding the science behind it. So get out there and let's see those spins. Intrigued by the science of spin bowling? It's fascinating, isn't it? We've dived into the mechanics, unraveled the physics, and even given you a few tips to master your spin. Remember, understanding the science behind spin bowling is not just about the theory, it's about application. It's about the twist of the wrist, the flick of the fingers, and the trajectory of the ball. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing insights into the world of sports. Until next time, keep spinning those balls.